Namaste friends. Today we are going to start 2.6 World Heritage. But before that, let me remind you, yesterday I had shared with you 6 videos of 6 metropolis in Asian continent. They were Mumbai, Beijing, Tokyo, Moscow, Hong Kong and Colombo. Let us see the characteristics of these 6 metropolis in Asian continent. Friends, Mumbai, the important places or sites to be seen while visiting Mumbai: Chhatrapati Shivaji Terminus. Previously it was known as Victoria Terminus in British rule. This is a heritage place declared by UNESCO. Then Gateway of India is historic place. Haji Ali is religious place, pilgrimage of Muslim faith. Then wildlife sanctuary, Sanjay Gandhi National Park, Borivali, Taraporwala Aquarium, SL World and Bollywood, Goregaon Film City. These are the important places to be seen while visiting Mumbai. And one more thing, so far as cuisine is concerned, all types of foods is available in Mumbai. Western food, all types of Indian foods including Punjabi food, Maharashtrian and South Indian is available, and there are many international hotels, luxurious hotels for accommodation in Mumbai. Beijing is another important Asian metropole or city. It is the capital city of China. The Great Wall of China is very close from Beijing. This can be visited while visiting Beijing. Then Forbidden City, there you can see an imperial palace. Then Tiananmen Square is important place in Beijing. Lama Temple is religious place to be visited. Then Temple of Heaven is another religious place to be visited. Dong Human Market is the place where you can have the tastes of various non-veg foods, including various species of scorpions and snakes. So you can visit Beijing. Tokyo is the capital city of Japan. This is another important Asian metropole. Meiji Shrines is important religious place nearby Tokyo. Then Hama Rikyu Garden is famous place. Then local culture center where we can understand the Japanese culture from the artists. They perform their cultural activities. And then Scenic National Park is an important place for the wildlife in Tokyo. Then Ueno Park is also famous for the wildlife. Mount Fuji, which is the highest mount called in Japan, so is close to Tokyo. And important thing is Tsukuji Fish Market. This is considered as world's largest fish market. Then Shibuya Entertainment Business Center and Roppongi Entertainment Area. So these are the places where one can enjoy the entertainments. Moscow is another important Asian metropole. Its capital city of Russia. The important places or sites to be visited in and around Moscow: Fallen Monument Park. This is famous for Russian art and sculpture. Then Grand Kremlin Palace, it is royal estate, imperial palace. Diamond Fund is famous for unique collection of gems, jewelry and natural nuggets. Red Square is an important place, which is this square is located in the heart of the city Moscow. Gum is richest shopping mall in Moscow. Then Pushkin Museum, this is famous for fine arts. Then Polomenskoye, this is also royal estate. And Moscow Zoo is famous for the white bears and other wildlife in Russia, but the main attraction is white bears of Moscow. Next video was about Hong Kong city in Southeast Asia. The important sightseeings in and around Hong Kong: Gong Ping cable car, then Jumbo Kingdom, which is famous for floating eatery of seafood. Tai O fishing village is famous for fishing. The tourists can enjoy fishing in this village, which is very close from Hong Kong. Then Victoria Harbour is famous for multimedia light, sounds and laser shows. Then Madame Tussauds is Wax Elder Museum, and Peak Tram is Funicular Railway. So these are the important places in and around Hong Kong. Colombo is the capital city of Sri Lanka. Vajira Pilayar Kovil temple is one of the famous temples in Colombo. Colombo's main attraction is sea beaches. As we have luxurious Hotel Taj in Mumbai nearby Gateway of India, the same way the Global Tower is the luxurious hotel in Colombo. This hotel is famous for the huge and beautiful view of the sea. The beautiful panorama can be experienced or seen from this Global Tower. So this is luxurious hotel in Colombo. There are many gardens and lakes to be seen in Colombo, and national park famous for wildlife. So these are the places or sites in and around Colombo. So these are the 6 cities which are related to the 6 videos I shared with you yesterday. This kind of study was expected after watching each city in the short video. The important characteristics are to be noted in your notebook. So hope you must have checked, or you can check after watching this video what you have already seen in those videos. So this was the first warmer activity, and now let's proceed for the second warmer activity. Friends, the second warmer activity is to prepare a travel brochure. So the title is Nashik travel brochure of your local place. So we have taken Nashik as our local place. Nashik, city of pilgrimage, welcomes you. So first point is location. Nashik is located on the bank of the river Godavari in the eastern lap of the Sahyadri. It is 230 kilometers away from Mumbai. On Agra, NH3, National Highway number 3. So this is enough. Connectivity, distance from state capital and geographical location. All things are covered in the point location. How to go to Nashik? So this city is connected with the rest of the country. You can say world by air, rail and roads. The nearest airport is Ozar Airport, (20 kilometers) away from here. The nearest railway station is Nashik Road, railway station on Central Railway. The Mahamarg bus terminal and Thakkar Bazaar bus terminal are in the heart of the city. The top 5 spots to visit in Nashik. Number 1 is the historic place, religious place, the Kalaram temple. Then is as you know, Nashik is the pilgrimage city of temples. So Someshwar temple is one of the important temples in Nashik. Then Bhakti Dham, then Mukti Dham, and another historic place, the Pandav Leni, which are the caves in the reign of Satvahan rulers. Pandav Leni, these are the caves. So these are some important places to be visited in Nashik. The first 4 places mentioned above represent the city as pilgrimage. Besides them, Ramakund is famous for the holy deep. The Pandavleni, the caves, is a historic place which gives us the information of the Satvahan rulers. So these are the special features. The pilgrims can experience serenity and peace by visiting various temples in the Panchavati and Tapovan. Besides, pilgrims the tourists can visit Nashik, to participate in Solar Fest. They can enjoy the variety of Maharashtrian food here. Other nearby sites, Trambakeshwar is 30 kilometers away from here. It is one of the 12 Jyotirlingas in the country. Second is Saptashringagad, is 65 kilometers away from here. This is also a holy shrine of goddess Saptashringi. Then Harihar Fort is approximately 40 kilometers away from here. Dugarwadi waterfall also 45 kilometers away from here, and Saputara hill station 80 kilometers away from here. So these are the nearby sites which can be visited while visiting the pilgrimage Nashik. All about the city of pilgrimage Nashik. This is the travel brochure. So you need to prepare different kinds of travel brochures. As I had told you, to do your own video what you have already done. Thank you.